Now it's time to begin the most tedious part of PC building, cable management. Basically, we're just going to be plugging in all of the cables into where they need to go on the motherboard so that they can get power. Here I'm plugging in the HD audio port from the case into the motherboard. Next up, it's time for the fan hub from the AIO from earlier. Basically, we're just going to be plugging this into the fan hub on the back of my case. But if your case doesn't have one of these, it's fine to just plug it into a port on the motherboard with a 4-pin connector. Now it's time for the most important, arguably, part of the PC, which is the power supply. A good power supply can last you a decade, but a bad one can fry your system in a month. Right now, I'm going to just be plugging in the 4 important cables into the power supply. That's going to be the 24-pin ATX power cable, which is going to supply power to the motherboard, 2 8-pin cables. One of them is for my CPU power, and the other one is for my GPU. And lastly, a SATA power cable, which I'm going to use to power my SATA drive, as well as some of the power for my motherboard. Now I'm just going to stuff my power supply into this little compartment at the bottom of my case. Some people don't have a little compartment like this, so it's perfectly fine if you put your power supply somewhere else. Just make sure that all the cables will reach to the ports that they need to go into. Now I'm going to be setting up SATA power for my PC. SATA power is used for SATA drives, which are a type of slower disk drive, and for some components of the case, which connect the buttons to the actual computer. Here, I'm just setting up a SATA 6G port and enough cables that I can plug in my 1TB SATA drive. Now I'm plugging in the 24-pin ATX cable, which is basically the cable that's going to supply most of the power to the motherboard, and supplies power to everything except for the CPU, which has its own power cable. Now it's time for that CPU power cable, which is going to be an 8-pin cable that's usually plugged in near the top left side of the motherboard, close to where the CPU is.